All right, guys, our beef stew is ready, and we have plated it up. We've got some white rice underneath there, and you can see the gravy turned out nice and thick. We got potatoes that are nice and tender there. Carrots are all done, and that meat is done as well. So we'll go ahead and take a bite. Let's do some meat first. That's some good good hearty flavor there. Good carrot, a piece of potato and a carrot together. Very hot. It's an excellent meal, excellent fall winter meal. It's very hearty. It's very good. A lot of flavor. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to be informed of the next videos. Thanks. Bye.